In this video, sir, I will perform the SQL injection activity. First step is to locate the login form on Alturo Mutual, yung kanina ulit. Then, step 2 is to intercept the login request, enter test credentials, and capture the request with Burp Suite. You can modify the parameters using the following SQL injection and forward the request and check if you bypass the authentication. And lastly is to demonstrate how I inject SQL commands into the login form, explain how this allows an attacker to bypass authentication. Then lastly is to discuss the impact of SQL injection on the web security. So I will now start. So punta ulit sa proxy, then intercept, then open browser, then demo taskbar, then click sign in, and let's use test credentials. So user test or user demo na lang. User demo. Then pass demo. Then click login. On muna natin. Then click login. So as we can see again, it use post here. Then for sending requests into the application and do login on how the user log in. So here ulit sa inspector, request attributes. Nandito yung protocol natin, HTTP 1 and 2. We can see here the name and value, method post, path, do login kanina ulit. Kung saan yung path. Then, request parameters. So, dito yung user ID natin, yung in-enter natin kanina, user demo, and the password. These are the values. Then, submit. Then, request cookies. So, nandito yung name, value, decoded form. And next one is the request headers, host, demotestfire.net, the origin, demotestfire.net. So yun, then I will click the forward here. And again, as we can see here, yung get kanina yung post kanina is naging get. So why? It's because it doesn't match the credentials sa Alturo Mutual. Then, let's try to bypass now using the SQL injection. Using this SQL injection, with this. So as we can see here, login failed. We're sorry, but this username or password was not found in our system. So please try again. So ito, gagamit tayo ng SQL injection, then password. Press demo, then login. So as we can see here, so, dito sa request body parameter ulit, napalitan na siya ng admin or 1 equals 1, then pass demo. So yun, then let's try to forward this one. So once it will forwarded, we can see here na click going forward. Okay. So once we done forwarding, we can see here yung bank main.gsp http 1.1. We can see here, it means na successful yung bypass natin sa login form. So let's see. Tagal. So as we can see here, hello admin user. So masasabi natin na successful once na nakapasok na tayo sa main or dito sa homepage ng Alturo Mutual. So makikita natin hello admin user. Congratulations. You have been approved for an Alturo Gold Visa with a credit limit of um $10,000. So yon. Then so about dito, I use the SQL injection, yung ito, admin or 1 equals 1. So the impact of SQL injection is poses a serious threat to a web security by allowing attackers to manipulate database queries, potentially gaining unauthorized access to sensitive data, and this can lead to data breaches, loss of user trust, and compromise system integrity. That's all, sir, and thank you.